The process begins as freshly harvested pomegranates arrive at the processing facility.
Each vehicle is precisely positioned to ensure controlled and hygienic intake. The fruit arrives in its natural harvested condition, untouched and unprocessed.
Bulk handling preserves freshness while maintaining efficiency.
The pomegranates are fed onto automated conveyors with controlled flow.
This marks the starting point of the modern processing line.
The fruit now enters the automated washing system.
An initial rinse removes surface soil from harvest.
Rotating brushes clean the fruit without causing damage. A final rinse ensures complete cleanliness. The fruit leaves the wash stage visibly clean.
Operators-eaters monitor the process to maintain consistency.
Clean fruit now moves toward automated sorting. Each pomegranate is carefully scanned to assess its quality. Substandard fruit is automatically removed from the production line. The sorted fruit flows seamlessly into the extraction process. Advanced technology ensures consistent fruit quality before processing. The sorted fruit enters the crushing unit to begin juice extraction. The final step in grading delivers fruit directly to extraction machinery.
The mechanical process carefully cracks each pomegranate to release its seeds and juice. High-pressure presses ensure maximum extraction without damaging the juice.
Freshly extracted juice begins its journey through the processing line.
Flow control ensures a consistent quality and texture before heating.
Pulp is separated to produce clear juice ready for thermal processing.
Operators oversee extraction to maintain quality standards.
The freshly extracted juice is now ready for thermal processing to ensure stability and safety. The juice is carefully transferred into the thermal processing system.
Precise heating stabilizes the juice while preserving its natural color. Operators ensure temperature and flow remain within optimal ranges. Steam and condensation are carefully managed to preserve flavor.
Manual oversight ensures the process remains precise and consistent.
Visual inspection confirms the juice retains its rich, natural color. The stabilized juice is now ready for concentration and puree preparation. The stabilized juice is carefully transferred into vacuum evaporators for concentration.
Water is gently removed under controlled vacuum, concentrating the juice.
Controlled flow ensures consistent concentration and texture.
Operators oversee each batch to maintain precise concentration standards.
The juice achieves its final density, ready for puree and packaging.
Mixers create a smooth, consistent puree.
The concentrated puree now moves to quality control for final verification.
Samples are collected to verify the quality of each batch.
Laboratory analysis ensures consistency and purity.
Sugar and acidity levels are precisely measured for optimal flavor.
Microbial analysis ensures product safety before packaging.
All test results are logged for traceability.
Operators confirm the juice meets strict quality standards.
The verified juice now moves to the filling and packaging line.
The rich, ruby red juice is carefully fed into automated filling machines.
Each bottle receives the perfect measure of concentrated juice.
Sealing preserves the juice's vibrant ruby color and freshness.
Operators ensure each bottle maintains its vibrant, deep red color. Clear labels showcase the juice's natural deep red hue and brand information.
Automation stacks the crates efficiently, preserving product quality. Each pallet is securely wrapped, showcasing the rich red juice inside.
The ruby red juice is now ready for storage and distribution.
The finished ruby red juice is stored carefully in the warehouse, ready for distribution.
The rich, ruby red color reflects the juice's quality and freshness.
Operators verify each pallet maintains the highest standards.
Pallets are carefully loaded for transport to distributors.
Each shipment preserves the vibrant ruby red juice during transport.
And this is how modern factories produce pomegranate juice from start to finish.
The factory operates with precision from intake to final distribution. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.